In this project, we're going to crochet a Christmas tree ornaments. Make a chain of 100. Make it shorter or longer, it's up to you what you like that you desired for the length that you want for your Christmas ornament tree. Go in the 4 chains from your hook once you are done chaining your desired length. Make 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch as well. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And place 1 double crochet per stitches until the very end. I am in my last stitch, placing my last double crochet stitch. And this is how it look like. Once you're done, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. Then I am making this Christmas tree, making it ready for the next step. Adjust it how you want according to the size length you make in the first round of the number of chains. Grab a few inches of yarn and insert the balls that you choose as I'm doing it so here in the video. It's very easy and you can make many different colors and make a knot to hold the Christmas tree, and there you go, you have a Christmas tree ornament already. I make another one of this which is super easy, and we're just repeating the pattern, and it looks like this. This time I use another kind of balls which is super soft. The other one was glittery. I'm so happy how it turned out. I'm making more of this. It was easy to make. There you go, you got it, and you can make more. Thank you.